Add 1.5 gallons of water to a large pot. And heat the water until it reaches 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a grain bag, add the white wheat malt and steep for 20 minutes while closely maintaining temperature. After 20 minutes, remove the grain bag and allow excess liquid to drip. Bring the wort to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and stir in the wheat dry malt extract until fully dissolved. Return to heat and bring to a boil. Add the Saaz hops for bittering and set the timer for 60 minutes. With 10 minutes left in the boil, add a quarter of the Sriracha Ace hops. At 5 minutes left, crush and add the coriander. At 2 minutes left, add another quarter of the Sriracha Ace hops. And at the very end of the boil, add another quarter of Sriracha Ace hops. Cover and transfer the pot to the sink to cool. Once cooled to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, add the final quarter of Sriracha Ace hops. The Thai hot peppers, and the pink sea salt and lime leaves. Transfer the wort to a cleaned and sanitized carboy using an auto siphon. Use a hydrometer to get an original gravity reading. Finally, pitch the yeast. Place a stopper in the carboy and shake to aerate the wort. Allow to ferment for 1 to 2 weeks. Use an autosiphon to transfer the beer from the primary fermentation carboy into a cleaned and sanitized secondary carboy. Be careful to leave behind any sediment in the first carboy. Using an autosiphon, transfer the fully fermented beer into a bottling bucket. Fill each bottle, leaving approximately an inch of headroom at the top. Keep in mind, as foam settles, you may have to go back and top off bottles. If using carbonation drops, place 1 carbonation drop in each 12-ounce bottle and 2 drops in each larger 22 to 24-ounce bottles. Use a capper to firmly cap and seal each bottle. And this completes the brewing process of our Tuk Tuk Gose, the Thai-inspired Gose. So of course, I had to try it, and as always there's a little bit left in the bottom because it's not going to fit in every bottle, and even though it's green and not carbonated yet, if you remember from Brew Day, there were so many different flavors that were going into this. We had lime and sea salt and of course those Thai chili peppers, so I had to try it, and it's already really good. It's bursting with flavor, it's got the right amount of sourness to this, so I'm really excited to let this finish and try it for real. So we're going to let this sit for another couple weeks and then crack one open just to check that carbonation. So be sure to stay tuned for tasting and an honest review of this Tuk Tuk Gose. Also, be sure to stay tuned for more homebrew and beer content. Until next time, cheers.